Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am, but a little bit speak.
Okay, but as long as you can communicate with the employer, is we don't have any problem. But if you really
Okay,
don't know
ma'am.
how to communicate, then better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so if you feel unwell, also better stay in the Philippines, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Classmate, but old classmate, elementary,
Okay, so always remind yourself that
but
you
no communicate, ma'am.
okay, but as long as I would like to remind you that you come here to work and not to meet up your friends or whatsoever about your classmates or your relatives, yeah? Or
Yes,
you come
ma'am.
here to
Yes,
work,
ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am. My first time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
It's because beauty country and friendly people.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Sally Pajardo Manangat. I am 35 years old and I'm married. I have two kids, 12 years old and 10 years old. And I'm high school graduate. And I have 2 years experience in household here in the Philippines. Uh, my employer is four members, two adults and two child. And um, that's all, ma'am.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. Okay, do you have your passport ready?
Yes, ma'am, I have passport.
When is your birthday?
August 17, 1989.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2",
Your weight?
50,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
So you mentioned that you got two kids, right? And you also married. Who
Yes,
will
ma'am.
going to take care of your
Yes, ma'am.
children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. Can
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
okay. My husband and my sister.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 35 years old and he's a carpenter and food lalamove
Driver.
driver, ma'am.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have five brothers and four sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Um, only I,
Are you the
ma'am.
eldest, the second, the third?
I am the youngest.
Okay, so what about your parents?
He's still died po.
Ah, already deceased.
This is,
Okay, so your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, according to you, just a while ago, you have a working experience in the Philippines for how many years? 3 or 2? So, according to you, or just you mentioned a while ago, you have a working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish
Two,
working there?
2017 and I done 2020.
Okay, so how old are those children that you take care?
4 years old, and the other one is thir- uh, 9 years old.
Okay. While taking care of these children, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
After 2020, do you have any working experience or you are a full-time mother?
I caring my mother, ma'am, because we have a sick.
So you are a full-time mother la.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job. You cannot simply say, I wanted to go back home because I miss my family and I cannot handle my job anymore. No such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home.
Yes,
Terminating of
ma'am.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, po.
I
Yes,
would like
ma'am.
to let you know also the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness and houses here is no joke. It's quite big. So you need to get ready
Okay,
yourself,
ma'am.
fasten your seatbelt, and are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. And I want to learn how to cook Malaysian food,
Okay. Can you
or what
caregive?
kind of.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Maybe, ma'am, but I don't have experience for
It's a
taking
yes or
care.
no.
Yes, 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 yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Ma'am, can I, what, the salary, ma'am?
The salary is 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month.
Okay, ma'am.
So are you
Thank you
okay
po.
with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then it's okay. You can come, work properly. Don't give us problem. If you disagree, it's okay also. You better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family. And you also got your children. What will you do once homesickness strikes you?
Ma'am,
What will you do? How do you handle homesickness?
cleaning the house. Busy myself.
Make yourself busy.
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give them a better future.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. You can drink until you're drunk, but don't bring it here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes,
We need
ma'am.
to
Yes,
follow the
ma'am.
rules and regulations of the employer. We need to humble ourselves. We need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Sally. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you
po.
so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.